If you're dealing with carpet stains, I've got a quick solution for you. For this job, I'm using a product called Tuff Stuff Multi-Purpose Foam Cleaner. You also need a brush, a terry towel, and microfiber towel. I have used this product on these extremely dirty upholstered chairs, and the result was amazing, as you can see. So let's see how it will perform on this carpet stain. First things first, add remaining liquid with a paper towel or a terry towel to soak up as much as you can. I did this off camera because it was quite a mess, y'all, and I was short on time for recording. Let's get to the cleaning now. Before you spray the carpet cleaner, I suggest you test a hidden part of the carpet to make sure the color stays and it doesn't get stained. Now give the product a good shake and spray it generously on the stain and let it sit for about 30 to 40 seconds to do most of the work for you. Next, start cleaning the stain gently to avoid spreading it out to other clean areas. The product seems to be doing its job, but I'm holding my breath until it's dry. Okay, time for rinsing now. Now blow the stained area to rinse out the product. Now use a dry cloth to soak up as much moisture as possible. Allow the area to air dry before working on it. This now is the best part we've been waiting for. Look at the before and now the after. The transformation is amazing. The carpet is all clean. You can try this at home. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to the channel for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Bye.